To ensure consistent and high-quality production of Matrix prosthetic restorations, TRI has designed a verification tool specifically for our certified labs and prosthetic producers. The verification tool set includes a gauge for platform P37 and P45. The tool is now explained using the example of the gauge for platform P45. The go side gauge, on the right, is used to check the tolerance of the matrix rotation lock on engaging connections. The screw channel gauge, on the left, is used to check the friction-free movement for screws 2.8 and 2.8 long for engaging and non-engaging prosthetics. Position the crown on the go side. A perfectly produced crown leaves no gap between the gauge and the crown. Ensure there is no friction between the gauge and the crown. If there is too much friction, the crown must be redone. Important note, to proof angulated screw channels, the verification tool has to be inserted from the platform side. To check the rotational movement of the crown, 3 lines separated by 8 degrees are used to measure the rotation. The rotational movement should be as minimal as possible. The screw channel gauge is used for both engaging and non-engaging prosthetics. Simply insert the screw channel gauge from the occlusal side into the prosthetic. To ensure friction-free movement, there should be no resistance while inserting and rotating the tool. If friction is felt with the screw channel gauge, the CAM software allowance needs to be adjusted and the prosthetic reproduced. If no friction is felt, your prosthetic is produced with the correct quality and is ready to go. For support, contact matrix-support at tri-implants.swiss.